Hi, this is Marcia, and I'm here to talk about our virtual blended learning workshops. Our virtual blended learning workshops mimic what our on-site workshops would look like. The teachers are going to meet in a whole group setting using Zoom or Google Meet. Then they're going to travel to breakout sessions where they're going to be learning in a small group instruction. They're going to be working independently. They're going to be doing digital content as well as doing some hands-on projects. In the morning session of a 6-hour workshop, the teachers will be learning a lot of content. At the lunch break, the teachers will get a 1-hour lunch. Then they will move into a planning session where they're going to take what they learned in the morning, where they have a guided planning session with myself or one of our colleagues that are going to help them to guide through developing a blended learning environment. Then we're going to bring everybody back together. When we bring everybody back together, we're going to actually showcase what they learned and then get ready for the next half of the day where we're going to do another set of breakout sessions. Finally, we'll round it out with next steps and level up strategies that are going to all teach your teachers how to implement blended learning in any learning environment. We have a lot of different classes that we are offering virtually, from differentiated instruction to student engagement to introduction to blended learning. All of these things are going to really help prepare your teachers for the fall. We hope to see you online. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.